Another common error is this phrase, in my opinion. See the example. In my opinion, Mr. Fernandez is the best dog trainer in the city. The next example, according to me, Mr. Fernandez is the best dog trainer in the city. Sounds absolutely right, but it is wrong. Why? I'll tell you all that. Whenever you use in my opinion, it is to express your own opinion. According to is when you express somebody else's opinion. So here, in my opinion, he is the best dog trainer is right. But according to me, he is the best dog trainer is wrong. Because here you are again using your opinion. So it has to be in my opinion. The other example, according to a survey, water scarcity is soon going to be a terrible reality. This is right. Why? Because you are expressing the opinion of others. So it has to be according to. Now when I say my opinion, in my opinion, water scarcity is due to the reckless use of water by us. So both these sentences are right, for we have followed the basic rules.